5935. When under stress, normal individuals usually react? A. With marked changes in mood on different lessons. B. With extreme over-cooperation, painstaking self-control, and laughing or singing. C. By responding rapidly and exactly, often automatically, within the limits of their experience and training. The correct answer is C. Stress triggers the fight or flight response, releasing hormones that cause physiological changes. These changes help individuals respond quickly, but can also impair judgment and coordination. In extreme cases, stress can lead to panic attacks, anxiety disorders, or PTSD. Professional help should be sought if experiencing these symptoms. 5936. The instructor can counteract anxiety in a learner by A. Treating learner fear as normal reaction. B. Allowing the learner to select tasks to be performed. C. Continually citing the unhappy consequences of faulty performance. The correct answer is A. When a learner is feeling anxious, instructors can help by acknowledging their feelings, reassuring them, and teaching coping mechanisms. It is important to create a supportive environment and focus on the learner's strengths. Allowing the learner to select tasks or continually emphasizing consequences may not effectively reduce anxiety. Severe anxiety should be addressed by a mental health professional. 5937, which would most likely indicate that a learner is reacting abnormally to stress. A. Thinks and acts rapidly. B. Extreme over-cooperation. C. Extreme sensitivity to surroundings. The correct answer is B. Unsuitable responses to stress include severe over-cooperation, laborious self-control, inappropriate laughter, singing, extremely quick shifts in emotion, or motion sickness. 5938. What is the primary consideration in determining the length and frequency of flight instruction periods? A. Fatigue. B. Mental acuity. C. Physical conditioning. The correct answer is A. Fatigue can impair a pilot's decision-making and reaction time. Flight instructors should limit instruction periods based on individual student fatigue levels and ability to concentrate. Signs of fatigue, such as yawning or difficulty concentrating, should prompt the instructor to end the session and allow the student to rest. Mental acuity should also be considered, with breaks given if a student shows signs of mental fatigue. This approach helps ensure students can learn and retain information effectively for safety. 5939. Learners quickly become apathetic when they A. Understand the objective toward which they are working. B. Are assigned goals that are difficult but possible to attain. C. Recognize that their instructor is poorly prepared to conduct the lesson. The correct answer is C. Apathy in learning can be caused by factors such as unprepared instructors, boring or irrelevant lessons, excessive workload, and personal problems. To prevent apathy, instructors can be prepared, make lessons interesting and relevant, provide feedback, and be supportive. These actions help create a positive learning environment and keep learners engaged and motivated. 5940. In planning any instructional activity, the instructor's first consideration should be to A. Determine the overall objectives and standards. B. Identify the blocks of learning which make up the overall objective. C. Establish common ground between the instructor and learners. The correct answer is A. Determining the overall objectives and standards of an instructional activity is crucial for effective planning. Instructors can meet with stakeholders, conduct a needs assessment, and set specific standards to measure learner success. This helps the instructor understand learner needs, identify objectives, and establish measurable criteria. Once the objectives and standards are set, the next step is to identify the blocks of learning.